Morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about normal heart sounds and mitral valve stenosis abnormal sound and compare the two. The normal heart sound make two sounds S1 S2. The first is S1 produced by mitral and tricuspid valve closure. The second sound produced by S2 aortic and pulmonary valve closure. In healthy person the heart sounds are clear, regular and follows a normal rhythm. No extra abnormal sounds. Let us talk about mitral valve stenosis. In mitral valve stenosis is a condition in which the mitral valve becomes narrow. This narrow makes it difficult for the blood to flow from left atrium to left ventricle. It is most commonly caused by rheumatic fever. In mitral valve stenosis, the heart sounds are abnormal. The first sound is loud. After the second heart sound, there is a opening snap. There is also a low pitched diastolic murmur, which means a extra heart sound where the heart relaxes. Because this changes the heart rhythm does not sound normal. Let us compare the normal heart sound and mitral valve stenosis. In normal heart sound, the valves open and close properly. The sound is clear and irregular. In mitral valve stenosis, the mitral valve is narrowed. Sound become loud, abnormal and irregular. Normal heart sounds does not have murmurs or extra sounds. Mitral valve stenosis has opening snap and diastolic murmur. Now just listen the normal heart sound. Listen this abnormal heart sound.